Guys, welcome back to Avid Outdoors TV. I'm back here in the shooting house. I'm in here by myself tonight. I've just seen 2 deer 5 minutes ago on top of that ridge, and I'm gonna sit here and really watch this spot. We've had some deer coming in here on trail camera, but right now it is 3:44. I'm gonna sit here dark and just really watch this holler right there. You guys stay tuned. I think I forgot to mention, but I got a drip scent down there about 50 yards down through there, and those deer I think I seen. I couldn't get the camera out or nothing. I just closed the trap door down. I just closed that down. And I looked up and I heard leaves and thrashing. Here they was on top of the hill. I don't know what it was. I haven't heard no more leaves thrashing. They had to be 300 yards and I heard them. But I'm gonna really just sit here and really use the binoculars and watch. You gotta stay tuned. I know y'all probably wondering why I didn't give you a tour, but I'll give you a little tour of my house here. So, it is 8 foot tall to the ground. It has a trap door right there. It's like a door that goes up to the floor. It's real nice. And we got homemade windows. Me and Dad made those windows. That's the best part of it all right there. Comment down below what you think that is. I'll tell you, if you guys guess real good, I'll tell you what it is. And I mean, we just got some nails. It's nothing pretty. We insulated it back right during bow season. We were gonna really hunt it this rifle season. We insulated with this so it'll really hold the heat. When I got in here, it was fumes rolling off me. It's so hot. I think I'm gonna just really stick it out there to squirrel in front of me. They're thrashing through the leaves. I think I'm gonna really hunt this through rifle season and see what happens. Thanks. The sun's starting to dip now. I'm gonna sit here about 10 more minutes. Kind of start gathering all my crap back up. I'm putting my clothes back on and might get you guys a time lapse right out of here. Don't know, but it's been a good sit. It has. We've seen deer, seen promising sign, seen all the squirrels in the world. Could ain't be eating squirrel dumplings, but decided not to. I'd rather be eating deer meat, but I don't know. Probably give you a little bit of a killing history lesson. Right there beside that tree right there with the fork on it. I've killed one of my biggest turkeys, my second biggest turkey, and let's see. Back right down there, I killed a deer at 25 yards, put a hole in him that big around with a crossbow last year. Papa killed a deer, a 5-pointer down beside that tree that's dead. My good buddy killed a turkey right up next to that log this spring. And Papa killed a jake right there next to that tree. You can see through that burl out. An old fork tree. Between that tree and that tree. They've been a sleeping spot for anything. You'll see me here all the time in turkey season. Turkey in here, it just goes nuts. Like, you can ask anybody that turkey hunted in this place. It is It is something, I'm telling y'all. But, I'm fixing to load up and head out of the woods tonight. And, probably right out here. There's a good look at her outside. Needs some more brush around it, but, hope y'all enjoyed today's episode. Lost my train of thought right there. Well, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all on the next one. See ya.